Hi everyone, I'm Sammy from the Gliffy team at Perforce Software, and I have a new feature to show you. This is for Gliffy diagrams for Confluence Cloud, and you may remember that earlier in 2023, we released real-time collaboration features. We want to continue to invest in that use case and make collaborating in Gliffy as fun and as easy as possible, so I'm really excited to introduce our freehand drawing tools. Here I have a blank page in Confluence Cloud, and I'm going to type \Gliffy to add a Gliffy diagram. Now you could start from scratch, but I'm going to use a template that I absolutely love. This is a decision tree of desserts from the New York Times. And so imagine we're teammates, we're having a meeting, we need to document a decision, we're talking through this together in real time. I clicked on this freehand icon up here, this pencil. I selected a medium width and pink as my color. And I'm going to go ahead and say, hey guys, what dessert should we cook? First question, are you craving chocolate? You might say no, to which I would say, excuse me? So I just drew out that arrow. Did you catch that? And I can now use the pointer tool to select this arrow and edit it like any other shape in Gliffy. I can change the color of it if I'd like. Let's make it dark red because we made the wrong choice here. Or I can bring us back to pink and rotate it to point us back in the right direction. So any doodles that you do with our freehand drawing tool get treated just like a shape in Gliffy. So here's our next question. The best desserts, are they handheld good to go, or do they require a sit down? I think I'm leaning sit down, so let's go ahead and draw another arrow in here. And all I'm doing is selecting this pencil tool and clicking and drawing with my mouse. It smooths things out for you really nicely, which I appreciate. Now, cake or cream, I'm thinking I'm looking for a piece of cake. And then a greatest hit or something with a new twist. Let's try something new. And that brings us down to this category here. We can make chocolate dumpet cake, we can make devil's food cake with black pepper buttercream, or we can make chocolate lava cake for two. Now, I'm thinking chocolate lava cake for two sounds like just the thing. So I'm going to doodle out a heart, and then you can see I can edit this like a shape on here and move it right over here. There is another recipe that caught my eye down here though, fudgy Nutella brownies. I want to remember to come back to that. So let's also do a little yellow star over here by the Nutella brownies. Very cool. So we just documented our movement through this decision tree, and we can go ahead and give this diagram a name. Dessert choices, save it, and head back to our Confluence page where we can see that entire flow and all the doodles we added. This feature does work with real-time collaboration, so you can use it with your team to jointly mark up a bunch of ideas during a brainstorm or work together as you build something out. I hope you will take the time to give it a try, and I'm gonna go make some cake.